Hey everybody, it's Emily and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. And if you are tuning back, thank you so much. Today we're going to be discussing my current favorites, and it's basically things that I've been loving for the past couple of months now. So things that I just continue to grab, continue to use over and over and over, and we're just going to discuss them today. Yeah, so let's jump right in. The first product that I want to talk about is by Makeup Revolution, and it's like this quad thing, and it has a light color, kind of a golden color, kind of this champagne color, and a bronzy shade. And I actually use this for my contour and my bronzer, and it just gives you like this gorgeous sheen. Can you see that? And that's actually what I have on right now, right here and on my forehead, and it's giving me that beautiful kind of glow, like I just, you know, got back from like somewhere tropical. And then I love using the highlighter in here. I like actually particularly using it on my body, like a body shimmer. Can you see that? And it just kind of gives you this gorgeous glow. And then the other two, you can use them for eyeshadow. You can use them if you're a little bit tan, you can use that as your highlight. So yes, I've been loving this product. This is the first product that I've been really loving, and it's in no particular order. I'm just kind of just naming to you things that I've been loving lately. Okay. It is 75 out. It's so beautiful. I just thought I should mention that. The next thing that I've been loving is by Makeup Revolution. It's their hyaluronic fix, and it's basically, you can use it before makeup or you can use it after makeup when you're setting your makeup. This stuff, I swear by it. I can be working a 9-hour shift, sweating, or be out in 90-degree weather. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. My makeup is not coming off. I've been wearing this makeup for about 5 hours so far, and this is because I sprayed it with that hyaluronic fix. And I swear, I've been talking, I haven't retouched my makeup at all, and it looks like that. So I highly recommend this. Yeah, I've been loving this, and I've been using this every single day. Highly recommend that. To take my makeup off, I've been loving the Simple Cleansing Wipes Removes Waterproof Mascara. It's kind to your skin, and I have another one in my drawer. I love this. I also like the Neutrogena one. It comes in like a light blue packaging, but this is really good too. Next are some lip products. MAC came out with this Bloom line, I think a month and a half ago, and I wasn't too fond of the face things that came in that, but the lip products I love. And I have a lipstick from the collection. This one's called Hey Kiss Me. I don't know if you can see that, but it's this beautiful kind of bubblegum pink shade, and I have it on my lips right now. And it's so pretty for summer with a tan. And then I pair it with this gloss from the same collection for the frill of it. And it's in this beautiful cherry blossom packaging. And it looks like that together, and it's so pretty, and it makes your lips so plump. So I've been loving that. Next is another Makeup Revolution product. As you can tell, I love Makeup Revolution. It's the Luxury Baking Powder in Lace, and you've seen me use this in a lot of my tutorials. Basically, I use it to bake my under eyes and to set my face. This stuff is incredible. I have it on right now, and it just doesn't, it just does exactly what it says. I mean, the natural heat from your body will cook powder over base foundation or concealer, giving you a flawless finish. And it really does. It gives you a flawless, impeccable finish. The next thing I'm going to talk about is perfume, the perfume that I've been using every single day and loving. And that is by Ariana Grande. And it's Sweet Like Candy. Got this for Christmas, and I swear I've been using it every single day since December. Looks like this. And I don't know what happened to my cap. My cap is a little messed up, but oh my god. Oh, it just smells like a bowl of candy. Yeah, just a bowl of like citrusy candy fruit. I really recommend using that one. Next is a palette that I've been using nonstop. I actually have it on my eyes right now, and it's by Too Faced Life's a Festival, and it looks like this. And you can tell that I love it because I've hit pan on quite a few of them, as you can see. And I use this as a highlight as well. This shade I have on today is right here, and I have this in my crease area, and this up here. I have this one right here, this kind of there. You can also use this as blush too. Highly recommend this palette, especially since Coachella and all music festivals are coming up. I recommend you trying that palette out. Next is a concealer, and it's by Makeup Revolution. You can tell I love that brand. And basically it comes with this big doe foot applicator, and I just stamp it on, and it dries pretty quickly, so try to make sure to blend it out very quickly. But I love this. It's so amazing. For foundation, the one I've been loving and using basically every single day is Infallible Pro Matte in 101 Classic Ivory. You've seen me use this as well. It just makes my face look so flawless. Like, and it's high coverage, and it makes your skin look incredible. So, highly recommend. Primers that I pair my foundation with, I love this one from Catrice. It's Light Correcting Serum, and basically it's like this little doe foot, not a doe foot, it's got a dropper, and it's this gold color, and I have it on actually today. And then I used this, so I have this combination on today, and it just gives you this gorgeous kind of bronzy glow. And then another primer I've been loving is by Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. This, as well with this, is a match made in heaven. Gorgeous. I have a few more products to talk about. 4 more. And then we're at the end. This is for eye care. This is by Olay Eyes, it's an ultimate eye cream. It kind of looks like this. It's peachy, and it's like a salmon peach color. I use it at night, and I swear by it. I absolutely swear by it. I feel like it tightens and makes everything, I don't know, you know? I use it every night, so. An eyeliner I've been loving is by a brand that I don't know how to pronounce. I don't know if it looks like a D-O-U-C-C-E, Douche, Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. It's so felt tipped, it's so incredibly, like, you can get precisely so precise, and especially like right in the corner, like you can just make such a precision, say, like, so, it's so sharp that you can get right up in there. And it's by this brand. I have no idea how to say that. I love that. 2 more products. One is a product that I swear by. I've been using it every single day, whether it's on a no makeup day, whether it's on a full glam day, it doesn't matter. Every single day I use this product, and it is a highlighter. It's like a wet to powder finish, and it's this Super Shock Cheek Pearlized in the color Flexitarian, and it's by ColourPop, And basically it looks like that. I'm telling you, I have it on today. I use it in so many videos. It looks like this. It's wet, like it's a wet consistency. Looks like this. And you can either pounce it onto your skin like that to give you this beautiful glow. You see? Especially when you spray your face and then you put it on. Perfecto. And now last but definitely not least would be from Too Faced. It's this Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Plumping. It's a lip plumper and it looks like this. I have another one as a backup. Basically, it's a little uncomfortable in the beginning, but not really so completely uncomfortable. But I love just getting out of the shower and just kind of putting it on, or when I wake up in the morning on like a no makeup day, I just put it on. Or you can put it on over like your favorite lipstick. Like you can put this on and then this, or this underneath and then this. And it's not gonna make you have like extreme, like crazy lip plumping fish lips, but you feel it tingling. It's a little uncomfortable at first. All lip plumpers basically are, but it just gives you this gorgeous pout. And yeah, who doesn't want a gorgeous pout? So that's it for my favorites, my current favorites. Basically things that I've been reaching, can't live without, for the past couple of months now. And you've seen them in a few videos of mine recently. Yeah, and I just wanted to sit down and film that for you. But if there's anything that you want to see from me, don't forget to, you know, let me know, direct message me on any social media platform, and I will definitely do that for you and get to it. I'm working currently on a new cover, so that's going to be coming out soon. And yeah, I love you guys and thank you so much for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post something. And if you have favorites from this month, let me know down below what they are so we can all talk about products and discover new things. And yeah, I love you guys. And thank you for all the sweet comments that you leave. They mean the world to me. So I will see you all in my next one. Bye.